You wake up and something feels off, not pain, not sickness, but a sense that something's missing, something deep in your core. Energy feels low, drive has dulled, you're still here, still breathing. But the edge you once had, the confidence, the stamina, the spark, it's faded into something quieter. But what if it wasn't gone? What if it was simply buried, beneath deficiencies no one ever warned you about? After 60, your body becomes more vulnerable to what it's lacking. And yet, most men are never told that small nutrient imbalances can create massive shifts in strength, mood, and sexual health. Not overnight, quietly, slowly. Doctors mention hormones, aging, and stress, but few talk about the 3 essential vitamins that directly support masculine energy, circulation, testosterone, and even brain function. These aren't exotic or expensive, but they are often dangerously low in older men. And the symptoms? You've probably already felt them without knowing what's really causing the decline. It starts with fatigue. You feel slower in the morning. Walking upstairs takes more effort than before. Your workouts, if you still do them, leave you drained instead of strong. And your recovery, physical and mental, is slower than it used to be. Then there's the emotional toll. You find yourself less assertive, less interested. Sex drive dips. Not just the physical urge, but the mental engagement, the confidence. It's like someone dimmed the light switch on your masculinity, but you don't remember when or how it happened. And your mind? It's not gone, but it's fuzzier. You forget names more often. You read the same paragraph twice. Motivation becomes a stranger, not depression, but a kind of dullness you can't shake. What most don't realize is that these are not random signs of aging. They're alarms, signals that your body is low, sometimes critically low, on the very vitamins that fuel male vitality. And the longer they stay low, the deeper the decline becomes. Most multivitamins don't help. They're either underdosed, poorly absorbed, or full of synthetic fillers that your body can't use. Meanwhile, your gut isn't absorbing nutrients like it used to. Your liver processes vitamins more slowly. The result? You're doing everything right, but still feeling wrong. Even routine blood work rarely checks for the specific vitamins you truly need for male performance. You walk away with clean labs, but nothing changes. No one tells you that one missing vitamin can drop your testosterone by 20%, or that another can literally block the signals from your brain to your sex organs. And every month you go without restoring these nutrients, the gap widens. You lose muscle faster, you gain fat around the belly, your mood dims, your sleep worsens. But there's good news, because what your body lost, it can still get back. Let's talk about the 3 secret vitamins that your masculinity depends on, vitamins you've likely been ignoring for years. 1. Vitamin D3, the forgotten hormone. Vitamin D is often labeled a vitamin, but it behaves like a hormone. It supports testosterone production, mood stability, bone strength, and immune regulation. Low D levels are directly linked to erectile dysfunction and low libido in men over 60. Here's the catch. The older you get, the less your skin produces vitamin D, even with sunlight. And if you're indoors often, or wear sunscreen, your levels might be critically low without you even knowing. Men with healthy vitamin D3 levels have been shown to have higher testosterone, better performance, and faster muscle recovery. But D3 works best when paired with another essential nutrient. K2 is the silent partner to D3. While D3 helps your body absorb calcium, K2 tells it where to go. Without K2, that calcium might deposit in your arteries instead of your bones, increasing risk of heart disease, not vitality. But more importantly for men, K2 supports circulation and arterial flexibility, especially in the pelvic region. It improves blood flow where it matters most, and when blood flow improves, so does sensation, firmness, and stamina. You'll find K2 in fermented foods like natto or aged cheeses, but few men eat enough of it. That's why supplementation often becomes essential. And when D3 and K2 are balanced, your body wakes up again. This is the energy vitamin. B12 plays a direct role in nerve health, red blood cell production, and mental clarity. It keeps your brain sharp and your body oxygenated. But B12 levels drop as stomach acid declines, a natural part of aging. That means even if you eat meat, fish, or eggs, you still might be B12 deficient. And the symptoms: fatigue, brain fog, low mood, weak erections, slower recovery. Sound familiar? Sublingual B12 under the tongue is one of the best absorbed forms. And when you get your B12 levels back up, many of those aging symptoms begin to reverse. Still wondering if they really make a difference? When these three vitamins are restored, D3, K2, and B12, your body responds fast. Within days to weeks, many men report deeper, more restful sleep, increased drive and confidence, better morning erections, faster muscle recovery, clearer thinking and sharper focus, a quiet return of the fire they thought was gone for good. Because masculine energy isn't just about testosterone, it's about flow, function, and fuel. And these vitamins are the silent engines behind all three. You don't need hormone replacement to feel alive again. You need to stop starving your system of what it's been asking for. Here's the truth no one told you. You're not broken. You're not past your prime. You're just depleted, and depletion is reversible. You can begin right now, without drastic changes, without prescriptions. Start with a high-quality D3 plus K2 supplement. Add B12 under the tongue in the morning. Pair it with whole foods, hydration, and light movement. Track your energy, your sleep, your confidence. Not every change will be dramatic, but over time, you'll feel the shift. You've spent decades taking care of others. Now it's time to care for the man inside, the one who still remembers what strength feels like. He's still in there, and with the right fuel, he can rise again.